More Fire, Senator Miraj, Senator Montet, Senator of Lamu Kamau, Senator Wakili kutoka Kwale Chimera, Senator Boy, Senator Faki, Senator Mbugua, Senator, the chairman of Park Moses Kajwang, Senator behind there, Senator of Busia. Yes. Well, I don't need to introduce him, Your Excellency, for reasons better known to all of us. A wonderful gentleman. Senator Boni, you know, my specs are letting me down. Senator Boni, yeah. Senator Obur, the youth leader in the Senate. Senator Gloria, Senator Hezena, and Senator Eddie Okech. Thank you. Oh, Senator Alan Chisang here. Thank you. Your Excellency, indeed it is my honor and great privilege to make my remarks at this very important occasion, the official opening of the devolution conference.